All right, so here we've got, we're looking at the real part of 1 and 1 minus z. So when you've got a fraction and you've got something on the bottom that has imaginary numbers in it, often it's what we times both the top and bottom by that will help us out. So if I just have a look at, I might just write up here what z is. Well, we know what z is because it's right here. So there's z. So let me also write what the conjugate of z would be, which is just cos theta minus I sine theta. That might come in handy later. All right, so now let's look at 1 on 1 minus z. So, and what I would times it by. So if I times both top and bottom by 1 minus z bar, or the conjugate of z, let's see what. On the top, we just get our 1 minus z bar. On the bottom, if you think about it, this is going to be, so you're going to get the 1 times 1, you're going to get a minus z and a minus z bar, and then you're going to get minus minus is positive, z times z bar, okay, which we know is real. All right, so now let's put in whatever that is. So in terms of cos and sine here, we've got 1 minus z bar. So we've got 1 minus 2 cos theta minus minus z plus 2i sine theta all over. Here we've got 1 minus. All right, so when we add a complex number to its conjugate, we know we just get the real part. So we've got a 2 cos theta and another 2 cos theta, so we've got 4 cos theta. The other parts will cancel each other out, of course, the imaginary parts, that is. And then when we're multiplying here, we also, because we're doing, it's kind of like, it is difference of 2 squares, so 2 2's 4. And then if you think about it, you're going to get the square, so cos squared, and then you're going to get minus I squared, so that's minus times a minus, so positive, sine squared theta. So really that's just 4 times of 1. So you can see that if we actually, why don't we just do it right now? If we just take the real part of that, so this just says take the real part. So if I look at the top, the real part of the top is just 1 minus 2 cos theta. And the real part on the bottom, remembering that this part is, whoops, sorry, that's just 4 times 1 there. So 4 times 1 is 4, and there's a 1 at the front, so that's going to be a 5 minus 4 cos theta. So everything on the bottom is real. But that gives us what we were looking for, so that's great.